Free audio post production by alphonic.com.
Hello everyone, welcome back to day 16 of our 30-day Python series. In today's session, we will explore sets in Python. Alright, so sets are an important data type that helps in handling unique data efficiently. So if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. So now let's dive in. Let us understand what is a set in Python now. Set is a collection of unordered items. Each element in the set must be unique and mutable. And the sets remove the duplicate elements. Sets are mutable, which means we can modify it after creation. So see, the sets are useful when you when you need to store a distinct elements and perform operations like your union, intersection, and difference efficiently. All right, so let me just show you how you can create a set here. Okay, simple set in the Jupyter notebook. So here we are just creating a one empty set here. You can give it hashtag creating a empty set. Okay, enter. Now here I'm just giving a variable name. Anything you can give it. All right. I'll be giving empty empty underscore set equals. So set and here the brackets. Okay. So this is how you create an will give it. Now let us print empty underscore set. All right. So now let us print the output here. Print type of this empty underscore set. Okay. Now let us run. So see here we got it. So here whenever we give a set keyword, it's not necessary that you have to give a brackets. Now let us perform some methods in sets. Okay. So I'll be creating a set here. So this is an empty set. Let us create a simple set in Python. Hashtag creating simple set in Python. Enter. So now here I'm giving a variable name as tools. Okay. See, I'm not giving a keyword as a set here. Okay. I'm just using a bracket. So here I'll be giving a Python, comma, SQL, SQL, comma, Power BI, comma, Excel. Okay. Now let us close this bracket. Let's print this variable name called tool. Print tools. Enter. Okay, here we go. So this is a simple set we have created. Okay, now let us see whether the set will allow duplicates or not. Okay, so here now let us create here x equals, we'll give it Python, Python comma, here SQL comma, again I'll give a Python, Python comma, Excel. Okay, all right, comma, Python. So this is a small letter. Okay, so see, I am giving, let me just close that. Okay, so now let us print this x, print x, enter. Okay, here we go. We got the output as Excel, SQL, and Python. So even though we added a Python thrice, it appears only once in the output. So this is because sets automatically it will remove the duplicate values. Okay. Now let us access the elements in a set. How do we do that? Accessing element in a set. Enter. So see here, since sets are unordered, you cannot access elements using your index value like we did it in the list and the tuples. Okay. However, you can use a loop through the set using a for loop. All right. So here, for items in X, I'll give it here. Okay. Colon friend X. Here we go. Here we got it. So here, sorry, not we have to print a item here, not X. All right, items. So we got the output as Excel, SQL, and Python. All right. So now we have to add and remove the elements. How do we add and remove the elements to a set? Let's understand that. So adding element to a set. All right. So let's add an element to a set here. So hashtag we can give it x, the same x value of the same set. I'll be use it x. Okay. So here x dot add, here I want to add a tableau, close it. Now print x here. Okay, print x, run it. So here we go, the tableau is added here. We can add the elements to a set, but the in the set duplicates are not allowed. Okay. Now let us removing the element in a set. Hashtag, you have to give a hashtag here. Okay. Now here, how do we remove it? So here, x dot remove will be using a remove method. Remove SQL. Okay, close it. Then print x, run it. So here the SQL is removed here. Okay. So see, remove will throw an error if the item does not exist in the set. So instead of that, you can use a discard method. So that won't raise any error. All right. So now here we have a set operations. Hashtag set operations. Enter. So here we have one of the best features of set is that they support mathematical operations like your union, intersections, and differences. So these things we have read in our higher studies, right? So I'll be creating a two sets here, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Close, enter. B set B here, 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, let us close. Now let us print A, A union. Okay, A union B. Now let us run here. So here we got the output. So all the unique elements which we have from both the sets will be printed in the union. Okay. So now let us understand hashtag intersection element. Okay. So here common elements, if we have any common elements in both the sets, that will be printed. So this is our intersection, right? So we give it a print A and B. Enter. Okay, so the 3 is common in both the sets. So we got the output as 3 here. Now let us look at the difference. Hashtag difference method. Okay, enter. So this difference method is elements in a but not in a B. Whatever the elements we have it in a, it should not be in a B here. Okay. So let us print a difference here. So print A minus B. Enter. So here 1 comma 2 comma 41. So that elements are not in a B. So these operations are extremely useful when working with a large data sets and filtering the unique values. Now we are going to convert list to set. Hashtag converting list to set. Enter. How do we do that? So sometimes we may have a requirement to convert a list, requirement that list have a duplicate values and we want to filter out with the unique one. So we can do this by converting a list into a set. Okay, so here numbers equals 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So this is a list. We have it here. Okay, now I am giving a unique underscore numbers. Okay, and I'm using a keyword called set here. I'm calling a variable name numbers. All right, so now let us print our new variable which we have created, that is unique underscore numbers. Let's print here. So here we go, we got the output here. Okay, so um, duplicates are not allowed in a set. We learned how sets store unique elements, how to perform operations like union and intersection, and how to manipulate sets using Python. So try out these examples and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our 30-day Python series. See you in the next session. Happy coding.
Free audio post production by alphonic.com.